Yesterday's video exploded, 5,000 views in 18 hours. You loved the 5 cheap mods and asked, what else? 5 more cheap modifications, even cheaper than yesterday, $19.99 through 2013. Total investment, $145 to $235. Subscribe! Comment which you'll do first. Yesterday covered the big ones: transmission cooler, synthetic fluids, undercoating. Today, smaller maintenance enhancers that add years. Let's go! Years, 1999 through 2013, all. First, battery terminal protection spray or grease. Prevents corrosion, ensures reliable starting. Why? Corrosion equals resistance. Resistance equals hard starting, weak charging, electrical problems. What to use? Terminal protection spray, $15, or dielectric grease, $10. Application: clean terminals, apply thin coat, reconnect, done. Payoff: no dead battery surprises, no jump starts, battery lasts full lifespan. Cost: $15 to $25. Mod 1, $15, reliable starting forever. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Second, regular fuel system cleaner, every 10,000 miles preventative. Why? Injectors get deposits. Deposits cause poor spray pattern. Poor pattern equals incomplete combustion, lost power, bad economy. What to use? Quality cleaner, Chevron Techron, Lucas, BG44K, not cheap store brand. How? Full tank, add bottle, drive normally, every 10,000 miles. Results: injectors stay clean, smooth running, better fuel economy. Cost: $30 to $50 per treatment, $3 per 1,000 miles. Mod 2, $30, clean injectors. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Third, upgrade to heavy-duty serpentine belt. Why? Standard, adequate. Heavy-duty lasts way longer, handles heat better. Options: Gates Green Stripe, Goodyear Gatorback, Continental Elite. Cost: $40 to $60 versus standard $25. Worth it? Standard 60,000 miles, heavy duty 100K plus. Belt brakes: stranded, overheating, no power steering, no charging. Heavy duty prevents this, lasts longer, saves money long term. Mod 3, $60, 100K belt. Years, 1999 through 2013, all. Fourth, add grease zerks to sealed suspension components. Sealed? Not sealed forever. What? Grease kits for ball joints, U-joints, tie rod ends. Cost: $25 to $40 kit with drill bit and zerks. Installation: drill tap hole, install zerk, grease regularly. Why? Sealed joints fail, replace entire part expensive. Greasable joints? Add grease, lasts longer. Real world: sealed ball joint fails, $200 replacement. Greasable? $2 grease, lasts 100K. Mod 4, $40, saves hundreds. Years, 2003 to 2013, GMT 800 late and GMT 900. Fifth, upgrade to premium cabin air filter. Why? Not comfort, HVAC system longevity. Cheap filter lets dust through. Dust clogs evaporator. Clogged evaporator equals weak airflow. AC struggles. Compressor works harder, earlier failure. What to use? Quality filter, Chevron Techron, Lucas, BG44K, not cheap store brand. Cost: $35 to $60, change every 15,000 miles. Protection, clean evaporator equals strong airflow. AC works easy, lasts longer. AC compressor replacement, $800 to $1,500. Premium filter, $60 protects it. Mod 5, $60, HVAC protected. 5 more cheap mods making Silverado last forever. 1. Battery terminal protection, $15. 2. Fuel system cleaner, $30. 3. Heavy duty belt, $60. 4. Grease zerks, $40. 5. Premium cabin filter, $60. Total, $145 to $235. Combined with yesterday, under $600 total. Which will you do first? Comment doing mod number X. Like, share, subscribe. Tomorrow, hidden resources with pro editing. Your Silverado can last forever. These 10 mods help you get there. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.